Inflation is one of the biggest threats retirees face in today's economy. It slowly erodes your purchasing power, making it harder to maintain your standard of living. But here's the thing, there are tax advantaged accounts that can protect your wealth from this exact issue. If you're serious about combating inflation during retirement, then you're going to want to stick around for this, because I'm about to show you how to use these accounts strategically. Before we dive in, I want to remind you that if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description below. Thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs to protect their savings from inflation and economic uncertainty. Don't miss out on this free guide. It might be exactly what you need. Now, let's break down how tax-advantaged accounts can help you combat inflation. First off, tax-deferred accounts like your traditional IRA or 401k are an excellent way to shield your retirement savings from the immediate impact of inflation. With these accounts, you're not taxed on the money you contribute or the gains you make until you withdraw funds, which means your money grows without being eaten up by taxes every year. This allows you to keep your wealth intact as inflation continues to rise. But here's the thing, inflation can hurt your returns over time, so it's crucial to make sure your investments are growing at a rate that outpaces inflation. This is where gold IRAs shine. Unlike traditional stocks or bonds, gold tends to retain its value and often increases in value during times of economic instability. When inflation is on the rise, the value of the dollar often falls, but gold tends to act as a hedge. You can use a gold IRA to protect your retirement funds from the ravages of inflation while taking advantage of tax-deferred growth. Another option to combat inflation is the Roth IRA. With a Roth IRA, you contribute after-tax money, but the big benefit comes when you withdraw it. Your earnings grow tax-free. So, if you've already paid taxes on the money you've contributed, you won't have to worry about any taxes in the future. This can be a powerful way to shield your funds from inflation, because you know exactly how much money you're going to have access to during retirement. Let's take a moment to compare the benefits of these accounts. While traditional IRAs and 401ks give you a tax break now, Roth IRAs give you that same benefit of tax-free growth down the line. The question you should ask yourself is, how much do you value keeping your savings growing without that future tax burden eating away at it? If you have significant savings, say $100,000 in your IRA or 401k, or even $5 million in assets, a gold IRA is one of the best ways to go. And I want to be clear here, gold IRAs are different from regular IRAs because they allow you to diversify your portfolio with gold and precious metals. Inflation tends to weaken the dollar, and what you have in your traditional retirement accounts may not be enough to keep up with those rising costs. But gold, silver, and other precious metals tend to outperform paper assets when inflation runs hot. This is especially critical for high net worth retirees who need to protect their wealth over the long haul. Now you might be wondering, why gold? Why not just stick with stocks or bonds? The thing is, stocks and bonds, while valuable in certain circumstances, can be highly volatile and can lose value during inflationary periods. Gold, on the other hand, has a historical track record of preserving wealth over time. When you invest in a gold IRA, you're hedging against inflation while securing your savings in something tangible and reliable. If you're looking to protect your wealth in the next 2 weeks, now is the time to consider opening a gold IRA. Click the first link in the description to get your free gold IRA guide. Thousands of retirees are turning to gold IRAs to safeguard their wealth. Whether you have 100K, 500K, or $5 million in savings, this might be the best move you can make right now. In conclusion, tax-advantaged accounts like traditional IRAs, Roth IRAs, and gold IRAs are some of the most effective tools you have to combat inflation during retirement. Gold IRAs are especially powerful for retirees who want to protect their wealth and ensure their purchasing power doesn't erode over time. If you want to learn how you can use these accounts to protect your savings, click the link below for your free guide. Whether you're just starting with a smaller IRA or already have a larger portfolio, it's the right step to take. If you have more than 100K in your IRA, 401k, or even $5 million in savings, a gold IRA could be the right fit to protect your wealth from inflation. Don't wait, secure your retirement today.